I'm gonna see if this is gonna work for my differential, because I boogered up my the drain or the fill up plug. It was so seized in there. I'll show you. It was so seized, I couldn't get it out with a wrench. So I tried to use a add some heat to it, a blowtorch. That didn't work. So I took a extractor. That didn't work, and now I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. It's just a cap. So here we go. All right, get you a 13 millimeter socket and wrench, and get you a catch pan so you can catch all the oil that's gonna come out of here. It's nasty. Okay, you got bolts here. These are 13 millimeter, and it goes all the way up here, and it goes on all around it. So let me go ahead and do this. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna unloosen these, but I'm gonna leave one up here really loose. I'm gonna start up at the top, and then not take out the one on the very top, and then I'm gonna just let it drain. So here we go. All right, I got the pan off. There goes the bolts, and right there, right, that little circle thing right there, that's the hole. So hopefully I can get, looks like I'll be able to do it, but I'll find out. I'll show you what I'm talking about, what I'm about to do. Alright, like I said before, I try to heat it up. First, I try to take a wrench and unbreak the seal, or not the seal, but the threading, and it will not do it. So I went in here, took heat to it, a torch gun, heated it up. That didn't work. And then I tried to, I bought a extractor. That didn't work. So now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna drill it out until this one fits. I gotta make sure this is gonna fit on the inside before I do anything. So I'll be right back. All right, I got it all cleaned. I'm gonna take some brake cleaner, spray it, and then take a rag and wipe it out and get all the shavings out of it, because you don't want that shavings going around in this thing. So clean it as best as you can. Clean it. Get way back there. Paper towel. I had to get that. Okay. Now, all right, this is the hole I drilled. It's bigger than stock, because that bolt was ruined. All right, go ahead and clean it. Believe me, don't sniff this stuff too much. Get it in the hole. There's a lot of shavings, so this stuff can make you hallucinate. Clean it off, clean the hole in, and just let it sit until it dries. It dries very quick, so okay. And what I'm using brake cleaner. All right, now I'm gonna clean the part because it fell in the oil. Just spray it down. Then take a rag. That stuff is really cold. Take a rag. Get it nice and dry. I mean, like I said earlier, this stuff does dry pretty quick. Pretty quick. Okay, I had to cut it. I had to cut it in half because it's not gonna fit. So I had to cut it in half. Now I'm gonna take some sealer, some RTV silicone, and do here. I mean, go. I don't know how much I need for this, but I'm gonna do it a lot. The camera can see it. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good. Alright, now I'm gonna stick it in here. Stick it in there. Okay. And now get more RTV and then spread it around it. Alright, got it all patched up. And that's supposed to get really hard, like a spongy type. And then whenever it gets hard, I'm gonna put some JB Weld on top of this so it won't move. I'm pretty sure that will work, but trial and error, I guess. I got some JB Weld on it, so it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks messy, but I mean, it looks good. Hopefully it's not gonna leak. I got it all around it. If I'm not satisfied with this, I can add another coat, but I think that's plenty. Let me see if it's hard already. It's a little tacky. So it takes about like 4 to 6 hours for that stuff to get cured. So I'm gonna let it harden, and then I'm gonna pour the differential oil in it. See you back in 4 to 5 hours or 6. All right, this is the pan. Just spray it off with the same stuff. And I'm out of that stuff. Okay? Wipe all this out. Okay, the magnet doesn't remove. So I guess that's fine. And yes, I'm gonna reuse the gasket because I could put some silicone on it, but I don't like silicone on this type of things. I like to use the paper. I guess I could okay, that's clean enough. Alright, now to go ahead and bolt this up. Yeah, I can't use this. What I did, I wish I could, but let me get it off of here. What I did is I cut it off right about here, and I'm using this piece, and I put this inside there, and hopefully this is going to work. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the differential with oil and use this. All right, here we go. Okay, it turned out pretty good. It's hard like a rock, and it's been 12 hours, so that's good. All right, and start filling it up. This might take a while. Okay, while that's draining, I don't think that's coming out. My goodness, this stuff smells awful. This is not one pleasant smell. You just fill it up until it's empty. And when it starts to leak out, then you know it's full. Or you can take your finger and dip your finger inside here. If it's full, then you're good. So let that sit. All right, this is the second one. Let that drain. All right, it's full. You see how it's leaking out of here? So that is full. Or if it doesn't do that, take your finger and put your finger inside. If you fill the liquid like that, then you know it's full. Go ahead and take your cap, put it inside. Okay, take your 13 millimeter, get right here. Nope. It keeps on turning. Okay, hold on. I gotta use two hands for this.